How to add your Snapchat link on Instagram bio. After you open up your phone now, go ahead and open your Snapchat app like this. So after you open your Snapchat now, tap on this profile at the top. Tap on your profile at the top right side. So after you open your profile like this, now tap on this share button. After you tap on this share button, now tap on this copy link to copy your Snapchat link. So after you copy your Snapchat link, now close your Snapchat and go back to your Instagram app like this. So after you open up your Instagram app, now open your profile like this. After you open your profile, now all you have to do now, tap on this edit profile section. After you tap on this edit profile, scroll to down and tap on this add link. Add link. After you open this add link, tap on this add external link. So now paste in your link in this section. So after you paste your profile link in this section for Snapchat, tap on this section and type Snapchat in the bottom. So type Snapchat like this. After you type Snapchat like this, tap on this save button. So as you can see now, it add my Snapchat link. So tap on this back arrow now. So back arrow again. So as you can see now, here is now my Snapchat link on my Instagram bio. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.